RDG solar is very efficient and very helpful for the people living in rural areas, that we are not behind on current affairs. Provided there is solar, there is sun, and then this thing it's fully charged. You can go up to 5 hours, 6 hours, depending on the programs that you're watching. You have a school here, you've got baby class, middle class, and reception. And those kids, they get tired so easily. So what we normally do on Fridays, we bring them in our room, and then they have to watch cartoons. We've got programs for them. There are educational programs, and there are cartoons that they normally watch. They get to pretend, and then that is life for them, day-to-day life activities. Life before RDG, it was difficult, more especially when you don't have electricity and you've got their mobile phones, you need to charge them. We could not charge our phones. Maybe for 2 days we could take them to the road. You have to pay. And then after that, we used to get stressed. But after we purchased this thing, we are on 24/7. We charge our phones. We don't have any problems with that. And then when it comes to studying, I love reading books. I wake up around 03 and then there's no electricity. So when we bought this RDG solar system, I have no problems when it comes to studying. I can wake up at 02, I can wake up at any time. I'll just have to switch on my bulbs and then they go on.